What is up, guys? JaretCampisi with the beautiful Christina K. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a special unboxing, a rare, brand new Ducati motorcycle. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So right now it's sitting outside. JR is going to be grabbing it with the forklift and bringing it inside. And I cannot wait to show you what is inside of this beauty.
Comments below.
Don't cheat either.
The bike.
Look at this guy.
Sure.
George just shows up with, what is this?
This is Tauntaun milk.
Are you actually drinking this?
Well, of course I am.
I've never heard of it before.
Okay.
Is it healthy? What is it?
So, well, no. Okay. Did you ever watch Star Wars?
Yes.
See Empire Strikes Back?
Yes, one of the best
when
ones.
Luke is freezing to death, and Han Solo cuts open that horned animal and stuffs him inside to make sure that he survives on the ice planet Hoth.
Yes.
Well, this is the milk from those.
Oh, you're serious.
Oh, that's for your May the 4th event.
May the 4th be with you, right? So,
that's
and I
hilarious.
figured you look really great in a Mandalorian
That's
helmet
amazing.
as well.
Put it on,
So,
teens.
That's
Is that real metal?
It is real metal. Well, actually, it's what is it?
This
called?
is what goes.
Bespin?
This is what goes on
armor?
down here. All right. The straps are cut. The box is going to be unboxed. It's kind of weird that you would think that it would open differently, but this is how Ducati does it. Unlike the Aprilia that you guys saw on the channel where it was all wood, they do metal crates. So there you go. There's your first look at this beautiful limited edition motorcycle. One of only 500 in the world. I think they have to take the actual crate off before we can take that off. So we'll let them get back to that. This is actually, is this for sale or is it already sold?
I believe this one is for sale.
Oh, okay, it is for sale. I know you guys sold one previously.
We did.
Okay, so this one is for sale here at Warhorse. Again, if you mention my name, Campisi, you will actually save money on anything you order or purchase here at Warhorse. And we are ready for the unveiling. Look at this beautiful bike. Wow. So there's a bunch of stock parts that have to be put on, like the seat and the rear, I don't know what, cowl I guess we'll call it. But you can get an idea for what it is and the paint scheme and everything. Absolutely gorgeous. So it is a 30th anniversary Ducati Monster, celebrating 30 years of the Ducati Monster, which is their all-time selling motorcycle. If you didn't know that, the Ducati Monster. Look at how gorgeous this thing is. So I'm gonna let them get it out the crate and maybe throw the seat and the cowl on, and I guess there's some stuff in the front here that they have to put on, and then maybe we'll do some ASMR stuff with removing this, and then we'll talk a little bit about what makes this bike so special. Dude, look at this bike. It actually even comes with a carbon Termi blacked out exhaust, slip-on exhaust as well, but damn, that is badass. So the limited edition bikes always come with a little bit of extra special things. So I think that's a bike cover right there that matches the bike, which is really cool. Yeah, it says Monster on it. That's awesome. Look at that. You even have a pouch that carries your cover, which is really nice. There's the seat, which I believe also has like a limited edition like things on it as well. And then there's some other parts for that looks like the battery leads, things that cover the battery leads and all that. Oh, what is that? Oh, that's like a special plaque that you get with it. Look at that. It says 30th anniversary Monster. That's really cool. There's probably pictures of like all the monsters through the years. Don't open that. We'll leave that for the new owner. Yeah. So if you buy this bike, you're going to get to see everything being unboxed back here, stuff that you wouldn't normally see. So your bike's going to be enshrined on my YouTube channel for years to come, which is really cool. I'm not sure what, oh, that's the rear tilt. Yeah, wow. Look at that. That is beautiful. The white with the signature Ducati green. That is awesome. So we can throw that on there. It does actually come with a lithium battery, which is really nice. I think he's going to wait because we're going to hook up that battery, right? Yeah. So we'll let him hook up the battery, then we'll throw the stuff on here. But yeah, it's really nice that it comes with the lithium battery and all these goodies. You can see your manual as well with all your maintenance intervals and stuff about the bike in there too. I'm not even sure what some of this other stuff is. I know maybe rear passenger pegs, mirrors, yeah, which we don't really need to worry about right now. But yeah, it's really cool. Okay, so JR got it put together enough for us to do a little walk around, show the bike in its mostly assembled form. So here's the special edition seat that it comes with. Beautiful suede with an embroidery of the 30th anniversary logo. The rear seat cowl looks really good in that white and green. Looks incredible. And of course, Monster 30th Anniversario, which is really cool. So what makes this bike special? First of all, it's a 2024 Ducati Monster 30th edition Anniversario. It has a tricolore paint scheme, limited edition. So you get the red, green, and the white. Teens is just sitting on here so you can kind of get an idea of what it would look like for someone on the bike. It's high.
I'm 5'4".
Yeah, you can't even pick it up.
I'm not even gonna attempt to.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, all good.
Did you show that it's numbered?
Yeah, so I was getting to that. Yeah, so it actually does have a limited edition plaque on there.
182 out of 500.
In the entire world, number 182. That's really cool. So again, it comes with that limited edition paint scheme. It does come with forged gold wheels. They're aluminum, not magnesium, but still very nice. It has full Olin suspension, which is pretty impressive for a Monster. And it also has a Termi slip-on exhaust system on it. And it even has a blacked out radiator. Look at that, guys. I think that's one of the first times I've seen a blacked out radiator on a Ducati, and it looks really good. It has some carbon fiber pieces here, like the front mudguard. He didn't put the front cowl on. I believe there's some carbon fiber and stuff on that as well. But that's a little bit more time consuming. So yeah, it's really, really nice. So these are, yeah, I know, it looks really good, right?
It's very
look at that.
well designed.
It looks really cool. So these are $11,800 here in the US. They have 111 horsepower and I think about 60 foot-pounds of torque. So it's a great bike to have some fun with. Similar to that RS660 that we unboxed the other day, that 100 horsepower range. They're just fun. They're fun bikes to use. And actually, it has a Öhlins steering damper as well, which is really big. There's your key right there too. And teens, if you want to turn the dash, turn the key. Check this out, guys, when it starts up.
Ooh,
Look how cool that is.
Sexy bike.
And it even tells you. So yeah, it has different riding modes. It has quick shifter up and down. It has traction control. It has ABS and it has wheelie control along with 3 different riding modes. And look, you even have your gas gauge to empty, which right now it says 0 miles because it's still in transport mode. So you can't even really do anything with them. And I don't want to start it up. This is going to be somebody else's bike, so I want to leave that for them. But yeah, dude, really cool little bike. There's tons of really nice mods you can do on these. And I'm impressed. Here, let me sit on this thing once, teens, so they can see. I'm 5'10" for reference. If I hop on this bad boy, you're right, it is actually higher than I thought it would be.
Yeah.
I can't really flat foot because of where the pegs are, but it's super light. Holy crap. And just like so compact. There's not a lot in front of you. You're right, this is a really cool view from right here. Seeing the 30th anniversary on there and the paint and then that black stripe running down and the Öhlins right here. And again, you'll have your dash. That looks super cool. And dude, this is, I even like how that fills in like the colors and stuff. Very similar to my Lamborghini Street Fighter and my Diavolo that has that cool animation whenever it starts up. Dude, it even has Brembo brake and clutch masters on here as well. And again, we haven't put on the mirrors and all that kind of stuff yet either. But you can see the headlight there too, daytime running light. Very nice package, man. For 18K, everything that they're doing on these with the custom paint scheme and the Öhlins and the forged wheels and of course the limited edition. Really cool bike. So again, it is available here at Warhorse. If you guys mention my name, you'll save some money. If you want to see more unboxings on the channel, let us know what bikes you would like to see unboxed. They have every bike you could possibly imagine here. There's about 7 Yamahas outside right now, BMWs that just showed up. And yeah, I'm really excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big old juicy thumbs up, subscribe for more, and we'll see you all in the next one. Peace. All right, start that puppy up. First startup. You got it out of transport mode? Woo! Somebody come buy this before I do. Look at the headlight too. Oh man, that looks so good.